Today is the 1st of March and we're gonna walk start from Savanakhet province, from village to the town, the village to the mountain to the Phu Khao Khoi and Phu Khao Lak. Then we are finish the project, finish the trekking. We gonna have group about 6 people, 2 novice, 1 man and 3 monks together, join together. So every day our scooter, every day we do, we wake up early, sin early and then do meditation, and after that we walk to the give arm from the local people. After that we have breakfast. Once a day. After that we continue walking every day. We do like that. We walk about almost 20 kilometers more per day. So in evening, after finish taking, we mostly sleep on Pakot at the cemetery in the jungle. Cemetery, the people die, and a lot of the stupa in the cemetery. That why we walking for practice the mind. We walking practice the mindfulness. Every step we must feeling in our step. We don't think about the past, we don't think about the future. We must thinking only the step. We must thinking only at the present. That first we must to practice the mind first. After practice the mind, we will know our dust or gidate. The gidate dust will when we touch, I touch the picture, ear touch the sound, and the body touch the something else. After that we touch, and then we feeling, and then we make attraction that we met like that. We met want that, the want that or that that we make us suffering. We will stop suffering. That we must to stop dust. Must stop dust. Then we will happiness. We will find the film. Film is must fish. Fish is really in the Buddhist text นัตติสันติพลังสุขัง สุขได้เสมอความสงบไม่มี every happiness do not like peace or peaceful for our purpose, our target, that we want that. Okay, today we are around the Mekong River. The Mekong River is another side is the Thailand. That's one Thailand. We walk now we breaking for the Sunday or strong sun. We must walk, and later we will keep walking. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Must share and like. Okay. Thank you very much everyone. Thank you. ขอบใจหลายเด้อสำหรับคลิปนี้สาธุ